Hiroshima, Japan in 1945, Hiroshima, Japan in 2020. In 1979, within 15 minutes, Brenda Spencer injured 8 children and a police officer, killed a custodian and a principal at a school. When asked why, she stated, "I don't like Mondays." While studying late night, students of Madras University in India used to tie their hairs to a nail in the wall for keeping themselves up. The longest war in recorded history lasted 335 years and 19 days. It was between the Dutch and the Isles of 19 Scilly. There were no casualties. Charles King, the former president of Liberia, holds the Guinness World Record for the most fraudulent election ever. He won the 1927 election with 234,000 votes in the country of 15,000 voters. Donald Trump and Michael Jackson in a private jet on the way to visit young HIV patient Ryan White, 1990. In a Chicago museum is a 3,000 years old Egyptian statue that exactly looks like Michael Jackson. The first women's boat was created in 1840 for Queen Victoria. Born with a rare condition that caused her knees to bend backward, Ella Harper aka Camel Girl received a $200 per week salary as the star of a touring freak show act in the 1880s. The first picture ever clicked of Kedarnath in 1882. The photo of a mother taken in 1980 and her daughter in 2014. These 1936 Coca-Cola cans look like something out of a mechanic's workshop instead of a grocery store. You'd be proud to know that 36% of the scientists at NASA are Indian. NASA has about 18,000 scientists, among them 6,500 are Indians. A school organized a tour to an old age home and this girl found her grandmother there. When she used to ask her parents about her grandmother, they used to say that she has gone to meet some of her relatives. Air conditioning in ATM is not for the customers. ATM machines work 24/7 and the major reason for using such a serious setup of 2 air conditioners is to ensure cooling for the ATM machine itself. Jara founder Amancio Ortega left school at the age of 14 and went to work for a shirt maker. He started his first business at the age of 36 by selling quilted bathrobes. The quietest room in the world is located at Microsoft office in America. No one can stay in this room for more than 45 minutes. Here you can also hear the sound of your own blood flow. A man in Thailand married his dead girlfriend to fulfill his promise of love. 2,800-year-old case discovered in 1972 in the Soldes Valley. The pair are estimated to have died around 800 BC. Internet is controlled by 14 people, in which 7 people have 7 secret keys and remaining 7 people as backup key holders. There is a website called howgoodismypassword.com where you can input a password and it will show how much time it would take to crack it. In Netherlands, 2 police officers cooked dinner and washed dishes for 5 kids whose mom was taken to hospital due to low blood sugar. Jack Daniel, the founder of the whiskey, died from kicking a safe. When he kicked it, he broke his toe which got infected. He eventually died from blood poisoning. Niagara Falls with no water in 1969. The water was diverted so that engineers could strengthen certain areas in slow erosion. Couple paid around USD 95,000 to reveal the gender of child on Burj Khalifa, Dubai. People believe that the Great Wall of China is so long and huge that it can be seen from space, but it is not true. When Neil Armstrong came back from the moon, he said it is not visible from space. Einstein's last word before passing away. Albert Einstein said few words in German. The only person to listen that was a nurse and she did not speak German. Real story behind April Fool's Day. In 1582, Pope Gregory XIII adopted new Gregorian calendar which moved our year from April 1st to January 1st. This was widely advertised, but still some people missed it and kept celebrating the new year on 1st April. They were seen as fool and hence this day. Before constructing any bridge over water, many details like maximum and minimum water depth, speed of water flow, underwater soil, bridge load of vehicles on the bridge and many more such details are measured. Actor Robert Pattinson dealt with an obsessed fan who had been camping outside his apartment by taking her out on a dinner date. "I just complained about everything in my life and she never came back." X-ray of Nikola Tesla hand. One of the earliest X-ray photographs. It's taken by Nikola Tesla himself just before its official discovery. Barcelona is the only city in the world that has been awarded a Royal Gold Medal for Architecture from the Royal Institute of British Architects. Doctor in Yemen wrote in his car, "Stop me if you need any medical consultation." A wealthy man in Bangladesh built a replica of Taj Mahal so that poor of his nation could see it. After firefighters saved piglets from the bonfire, 6 months later the farmers sent them sausages made from the piglets as a thank you gift. According to Charles Bukowski, sadness is caused by intelligence. The more you understand certain things, the more you wish you did not understand them. President Lyndon Johnson would often play prank on unsuspecting guests by driving his amphibious car into lake, screaming out the brake not working. If a man pees on a pregnancy test and it comes up positive, he may have testicular cancer. Over 40% of the US hotel business is owned by Gujarati and 70% have the last name Patel. Hawa Mahal is a 5-story building, but the interesting fact is that there are no stairs to climb. Taylor Swift once accidentally released an 8-second song which has just white noise named Track 3. It quickly became the number 1 song on iTunes in Canada. King Hamad International Airport in Saudi Arabia is bigger than the entire city of Mumbai. Young mom working as a food delivery in Russia. Respect to this mother, such a hardworking, no one is greater than a mother. Bajau people live in the middle of the sea, rarely go on land, have no nationality, no fixed abode, no money, and they go spear fishing without scuba gear, not even oxygen tanks. The Vikings were the first Europeans to discover America, not Christopher Columbus. Isha Ambani's wedding is considered a cheapest Indian wedding, where an average Indian family spent 4 to 5 years of their earning in wedding. Mukesh Ambani just spent 2 days of his earning in his daughter's wedding, 3,750 crores. Netflix released a horror film Veronica, and it is said to be the scariest film ever made. The film is reportedly so terrifying that people are turning it off before finishing it. Netflix said that only about 1 out of 100 people are able to watch the full film. Experts have suggested that the film can kill weak-hearted people. Public toilets in Japan have smart glass that remain transparent when unlocked. This transparent glass toilet turn opaque once locked. This is Nong Yohee from Dahua, popularly known as Catboy. He has developed a condition where he can see perfectly in complete dark and has eyes of neon green color. In Japan, when a national holiday falls on a Sunday, the next working day will be a public holiday. Additionally, any day that falls between 2 other national holidays shall also become a holiday known as Citizens' Holiday. When Thomas Edison was confined to a wheelchair in the last year of his life, his friend Henry Ford bought one too so that they could have wheelchair races. King Harald of Norway vowed to remain unmarried for life unless he would marry his true love Sonja Haraldsen, the daughter of a cloth merchant. She became the Queen of Norway.